Okay, now we'll do the reassembly. Just one other thing on this front bracket that I forgot to mention. This retaining block you need to take off to put everything back together. So that's one other thing, just a bolt to take off as well. Okay, so then I put the front bracket in, and then wish me luck with the yoke. So I like to put it through the motor opening, and then sort of lift and flip, and with one twist, sometimes I get it, sometimes it takes more. Okay, so I've got the front shaft coming through. It's upside down right now. I think twist. Yep. Everything will be good. So now it's on the front trunnion bracket. Okay, so that's the way you do it. You put it in upside down through the motor door, and then you rotate it one more time, whatever way it is, I can't remember. And then if it's on, then we can put this back bracket in pretty easily. Slide that in, lift this up. There it is. Now it's just a matter of putting all your bolts back in. Got a little retaining block on the front trunnion, all your hand wheels and everything else. So there you have it.